Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder with $60 in prop money. So let's get started. Why do you have to sing every time? I don't know. All right. You guys good? Can you see? All right. So let's go with And So the Adventure Begins. This is saving for a vacation, and I did shrink this down so it can fit into my envelope nicely. This is created by Mint Dough on Etsy. This says $1,200, and I am going to go ahead and roll a D20. Ooh, we just got a nice 3. A 3. So let's go ahead and do this 3 here. I'm going to roll again, we got goals to meet. So $3, and let's roll again. That is a 17. That's more like it. So 17, 10, 15, 16, 17. Oh, I should have brought more ones in here. What was I thinking? So that is a total of 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And get the other 10. So $20 even is going in here. That's about how much I plan to put in here. $20. All right, next is saving for my daughter's sinking fund. Take what you need and pass it on. So it's $50 created by Budget with Carly. And we're just going to pick one to scratch. Let's go here. And that is a 5. Oh my goodness, that's a new desk cleaner, and it's kind of annoying. So $5 is going in there with her. 3 more scratches. Next is for my son's sinking fund, and it's also created by Budget with Carly. See, we got, let's do 1 scratch. Okay, $3. $3, and let's do a roll. 2. Okay, $5. Not too bad, not too bad. So let's do a 2. Put our $5 in here. Oh my goodness. All right, next is for myself, the queen of the house. All right. It takes real skills to choke on air, fall up the stairs, and trip over nothing. Guess what? I have those skills, not to brag. This is created by Stuff and Budget. So let's pick one on this side. Let's go here. And that is a friendly 6. And it says 55. Oh my goodness, is it dead already? So $6, 5 and 6. All right, next is for the hubby. And this is created by Beauty Mom Budgets. Merry Clucking Christmas, says $45. Let's go here. And that is a 6. Perfect. Should we do another one? We'll probably go back around. All right, 5 and 6. So cute. The little chickens. Home Sweet Home. And this is created by Mystic Budgets. And the scratches are 8s and 5s. And then you got some rolling saves for the grocery bags. So let's do this one. And that is an 8. And should we do a roll? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's do one roll. So 8 and 3 for $11. So 3. So 10 and 11. Perfect. And let me see, emergency is this book, Life of a Duck Named What, created by Snowgarner 307. And I am working on this crossword puzzle. Lord help me. All right, did I find one? Yes, I did. And that is for $4. I found crayons already. And it's here. Right here. Crayons. Right here for $4. I had to cheat a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and $3 left. Okay. We got through the book. So $4. Perfect. And we only got, I got $3. What is the chances I can find one? Can I find recess? Probably not. Oh, shoot. I thought I was so good with crossword puzzles back in the day. Well, back in the day, now it's like pressure because you guys are watching me and being so patient. And yeah, I can't find it. No, I can't. All right, I tried. So next we are going to, should I put the $3 into the 100 envelope or should I put it into the vacation? Because I told you guys, I'm trying to finish this vacation one. Let's see if it's a 3 on here. Let's see. I can do this 1 and 2. Well, let's put $1. Let's put $1, okay? Let's put $1, and then I put $2 into, so, oops. So each envelope can get some love. I already put $20 in here, you know? So let's put another $1. So that'd be $21 going in here. And let's put the $2 into the 100 envelope challenge created by Snowgarner 307. And this is just for saving for a rainy day. So $2 is going into here. So $2. Perfect. Look, everybody got some love. Right? That completes today's family binder full of our sinking funds as a family of 4. Just something that I want to do to boost our sinking funds so we don't have to worry about nothing. We don't have to like fall into debt for things that we may need or want, you know? So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.